In this video, I'll learn how to install correct VirtualBox on Windows 11. Let's start. First, go to the web browser and Google search VirtualBox and enter press. The official website is visible. First website, double click. Where is the official website? Virtualbox.org and directly download. Click. Automatically this type will open. Download VirtualBox. Windows host, click. Automatically download. Start it. VirtualBox download. File, click. Automatically file location. VirtualBox, double click. Minimize. Let's start install. VirtualBox installation start. Next. I accept. Next. Yes. Custom setup. Next. Install. Finish. Then this type will open. New, click. Ubuntu file, insert. Thank you for watching.